November the 8th, 2024, and we've got a great market update for you. We passed the election. The Fed dropped the rates yesterday, and we're going to see, well, next month we're going to see what the effect that has on it. But we had a great month in October of 2024, and here's the report for our existing sales. We have gone up on the inventory, up slightly on the sales, and on the pending contracts. Here's the report for them. Sales are up 12.9% year over year. That's huge. It's big. It is, as Trump would say, it's huge. And now that he's the president, I think the market is going to react positively to that. We're probably going to see a bigger increase in the month of November over last year. 2, months of inventory is up 29.6%. That's fantastic because the buyers have more choices right now. That's allowing them to take a little bit more time, and it gives them the opportunity to make better decisions in the future. 3, average price is up from $269.13 to $272, so just slightly, it's almost flat. Average size home is down, continuing to see that shrinkflation going on, and the price per square foot is up 2.29% year over year. We're at $147.99 for the month of October, and the days on market was 44 compared to 56 last year. Real good report for the existing homes here in the El Paso area. All right, on to our new homes report. And if you could just see what's going on in here in the madness of trying to put together a video today. On to our new homes report. Great report here. Our charts are showing a little bit of an increase on the sales. It's a great increase when we look year over year, and the inventory is fantastic. Pending sales and close are great. Lots of inventory choices for the buyers to choose from. Sales are up 32.29% year over year. We closed 213 new homes in the month of October 2024. Months of inventory up 12.23%. Buyers have great choices out there in the marketplace right now, and the builders are still putting properties out there. That tells us that they've got the confidence that they're going to be able to sell those, because most of these are spec homes. They're built on speculation that they're going to be able to sell those things. Average price, $317,958, 1.65% increase. That's almost flat, but it is a slight increase. Average size went down. We're at 1,852 square feet compared to last year at 1,885. Price per square foot is up at 172.51, and days on market 144 compared to 153 last year. Now, onto our mortgage rates. This is the fantastic news, as well as the fact that we got a lot of houses to sell. Interest rates are great. The Fed dropped the rate 0.25% on Wednesday after the election, and we're probably going to see mortgage applications increase over the next 30 days because of that. Right now, the interest rate, this is actually yesterday, 6.75 on a 30-year fixed rate, 30-year FHA 5.72, and 5.86 on a VA. So great rates out there for people to buy if they are looking to borrow money to buy a home. They can probably buy these things down. And again, I think that mortgage application stuff is going to take off in the next 30 days. Because of the Fed overnight interest rate, people are going to go and apply for those mortgages and try to buy these homes. Now, on to the Dow Jones. The 1-month average, everything is negative here. That's likely to change in the next 30 days because of the election and because of the quarter-point rate drop that we saw on Wednesday. We got positive numbers pretty much everywhere except for the S&P mid-cap and the small cap on the 3-month percentages there. Great report there. And 3 key takeaways that we've got this month. Number 1, it's a great time to buy and sell a home here in El Paso. We've got more inventory available for our buyers, both on the existing homes and on the new homes, and the interest rates are fantastic. Number 2, now that the election is over, buyers and sellers will begin to focus on their life changes. What's happened? Do we need to buy a new home? Do we need to downsize, upsize, oversize, whatever it is that they need to do? The election's over, so now they can get on with their lives. And I've seen this. This is my 6th election cycle. Prior to this, no different than the other 5, except for the COVID year in which we were still on lockdown mode for the majority of it. But I think that now that the election is over, the market's going to take off and do very well. And the 0.25% rate drop from the Fed on Wednesday is likely to stimulate the buyer activity. They're going to make their mortgage applications, and then they're going to go out into the marketplace. But remember, we've got Thanksgiving coming up in 2 weeks. That's always an issue because people take off, and then the home market is competing with Black Friday and Christmas, and we've got a very extended Thanksgiving period and a shorter time this year between Thanksgiving and Christmas. So we'll see what that's going to do to us. But I think that the market's going to be fantastic because of the fact that the rate drop came in. We've got fantastic inventory for the buyers, and the sellers have had great appreciation over the last 4 to 5 years, so they should be happy to sell as well. It's not 2022, but we're not seeing a decrease in value. We're seeing that level playing field for the buyers and the sellers. And that's my report for 2024 November, looking at the October sales. If I can be of service to you, reach out to me here on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, wherever it is that you're watching this. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Text me at 915-588-1850. Email me, patrick@patricktuttle.com. Thanks for watching. God bless you, and make it a great day. Bye-bye.